Bubbles, why? It's like holding a glass bottle. Or you make the mice faster.
I'm eating mud.
That's so gross, Parker.
I know, right?
Alright.
Okay, you guys ready? Ready for this wonderful, glorious moment? Woohoo that. Ooh, I know what that
Goes
is.
with what we're giving you. These are just little goodies for party favors. But I'm really sorry about how they're wrapped. I didn't get back.
What is
So.
that?
Sorry about that. Goodie bag.
Parker. What's that?
You got goodie bags. It's awesome.
Just wait till you guys see so
Oh yay. Hey, is this a string that?
Yeah.
So sweet.
I was sitting in there and I went, how am I going to do this? Oh, there's food on the chair. Isn't that fancy?
Bacon gumballs? Oh, I'm so gonna try.
I
don't like gum, it's bacon.
I guess.
I don't know if that's gonna be good.
I want to try the bacon. I'm gonna try it. I really do want to try it.
Wait, film me trying the bacon gum. Oh, first film Bubbles because I think she's.
Okay, I get to try it first, okay? Can I
And then I got these I forgot about.
Oh my word, we need to spray them tonight. Sorry.
What are you using in glue?
Oh!
What do we have?
Ew, it smells. Wait.
No, wait.
Wait, you guys, I get to try it. Okay, yeah.
Please use this.
Can you open this one?
Nope.
Can you open this parcel, please?
I'm gonna save battery for a second.
Sweet bacon?
Yep. Bacony.
Bacony.
Really? Sweet bacony?
So you and Charles won't have to open the bacon bits at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Bacon bit.
2 jars were on the table today.
It was really weird. We're like, I'm hungry.
Alright,
Dave's
let's
hungry.
do
Come with
mine
me.
is sweet. At the same time.
Today's broadcast is brought to you by Bacon Gumballs
Yay.
and
Fun.
Tutti Frutti Gumballs. Okay, ready?
Dun, 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 dun.
You gotta crunch.
Crunch. Wait, that was my tooth.
I know, it's weird. Sweet, but
Let me sniff it.
bacony. Sweet yet bacony.
That's a small one anyway.
Sweet. You have to look at it. What do you think?
It's not
Smells like
bacon.
plastic.
but-
No?
Just saying.
Does it taste like bacon?
I don't know. I don't want to taste one and then not like
Maybe
it.
a little. Is it good though?
It's not. Is it weird?
It's kind of weird.
The cupcake one's weird too.
Yeah.
Everything is edible. She's having trouble opening the bag.
And why don't you
Everything's
open your
edible,
present
but
instead?
She doesn't know there is a present.
There is a present. Oh, it's a big one.
I have 2 minutes left. Hurry.
Definitely not a laptop.
You need to. You need to open it up.
Big.
A little big for a laptop.
Yeah, that's the one
It
that's
came in late, otherwise I'm giving it to you soon. Came in late like your friends.
I got a nice.
Yep.
Wow, that's cool.
It's a bear.
Yeah, it's a bear. That's why she's psycho.
You guys sound so much alike. That's why she was psycho? What?
That's why she's psycho.
Do
Oh.
you like how it looks?
Yeah,
And backing and everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
So the girl kind of just
Hey.
told me this will look good, and it was hard to tell.
Oh,
What is
you
it
don't even
called?
know the
Wait,
Night of the Assassin. It's such a fun game.
Oh, I think, is that what
It's a murder game. You play in the dark. It's so fun.
is that what Alex was talking about?
Murder game, what?
Oh, like the
A
mob.
murder game.
Bartholomew?
What?
No. A different one.
That's such a cool name.
Guys, will we play Assassin?
Night of the Assassin. You want to play Night of the Assassin with 4 people?
Yeah. What, you can't play with 4 people?
Well, yeah, you can, I guess. It's such a fun game. You have no idea.
Yeah, we should play.
It's harder, but it's fun.
Have you
Played it before?
I think so.
I think I played it with...
We played with Michelle.
Michelle. I don't know, like, it had dark and I fell on the ground for some
Yup,
reason.
because somebody touches you and you don't know who because it's in the dark.
I was little, I did whatever they did.
because it's in the dark.
I forgot to play this, so we're going to have to go on Google and type in rules for Night of the Assassin.
A lot of cousins.
So,
You do.
how's your
We have a
donuts
big
doing?
family.
Okay.
That cousin's on
34.
Dad's side.
I counted 34 again. I counted
How many
34
times?
people.
No.
That wasn't all. That wasn't all the people
Girl's
that.
name that we
Yes.
met in
Rachel?